CRM is an effective tool for any business, but implementing it is always easier said than done. So today, we'll look at the biggest mistakes in CRM implementation and how to avoid them. We're Jelvix, software development partner for industry leaders. You're on our channel, weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Since you're watching this video, we bet you already know what a CRM system is. So let's cut to the chase. The first mistake to avoid is using outdated, repetitive, or just plain insufficient data. You know, information plays a huge role in all business processes, but if you're using irrelevant data, it can be a real bummer. This is true for CRM systems too. Bad data can lead to wasted time looking for the right customer record, inaccurate reports, messages that go unanswered, lost leads, missed sales opportunities, and even a hit to your brand's reputation. So how do we solve this problem? Well, the most obvious way is to update and double-check your data regularly. But let's be honest, that can take ages. That's why many CRM systems come with built-in tools to help you clean up unnecessary data, finding missing bits, or replace outdated info. Don't hesitate to use those features if you're worried about your data. Now, let's talk about the second issue we often see: not fully understanding one of the main features of CRM systems, which is data analysis. Believe it or not, a ton of companies aren't using their CRM data to its full potential. The problem is that many businesses just use their CRM to store customer info and track transactions. By doing this, they're not analyzing the data, and that means they're missing out on making data-driven business decisions. So remember, there's a reporting function in nearly all CRM systems. Don't forget about it. Some top-notch examples are Salesforce, HubSpot, and Pipedrive. Using these features will not only give you more structured data about what you're interested in, but also help you make smart business decisions. Alright, let's dive into our third issue. This one happens when you think of a CRM system as a standalone, do-it-all tool. Spoiler alert, it's not. In today's busy business world, there are just too many things to keep track of. Sadly, it's impossible to fit everything you need into one platform. But don't worry, almost all CRM systems can integrate with other tools. Now, don't ignore this opportunity. If you skip integrating platforms, you might end up with scattered and incomplete data, and that can really slow down your team. On the flip side, with the right setup, you'll have a smooth and efficient system that's great all around. For instance, you can easily link up with company email accounts, phone providers, calendars, marketing, and customer support tools. Let's talk a bit more about integrations. The fourth issue we're tackling is not having access to CRM systems on mobile devices. You'd be surprised, but a OnePulse survey says nearly 73% of people in the US and the UK use a personal cell phone for work. That's a pretty big number, and chances are your coworkers are part of it too. But before you start implementing CRM technology, double-check that your team can use it on the go. This is super important for companies with remote workers or employees who are out or in the field. When you choose a CRM with mobile features, you can often blend it with other mobile capabilities, such as scanning business cards, importing photos, making phone calls, and accessing contact info. And finally, you obviously can't go wrong in using CRM automation tools. Automation tools can take a bunch of routine tasks and even whole workflows off your hands. You can use these handy tools to automate things like nudging leads, sending support requests, billing, creating tasks, setting up calls and meetings, and so on. And you've got to admit, that's pretty awesome. So if you want to know more about other advantages of CRM systems, you're welcome to watch our ERP versus CRM video. There, you'll also learn about the features of ERP systems. Also, support us by liking this video and leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye for now.